Hola, welcome to this stunning ocean view home located in the most upscale development in our area, Pacifico and Playas del Coco. As you step inside, you're immediately welcomed by breathtaking ocean views and an open concept living space. This contemporary home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 4,300 square feet of total living space, including a beautiful infinity edge pool and spacious terraces. The living, dining, and kitchen area connect perfectly, all with panoramic ocean views. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring quartz countertops, imported cabinetry, and high-end appliances. A spacious pantry and laundry room are conveniently located with direct access to the 2-car attached garage. Principal bedroom is a private retreat with a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and a private balcony overlooking the ocean. On the opposite side of the home, you'll find 2 additional ocean view bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathrooms. One of them also opens directly onto the pool terrace, making it ideal for guests. This expansive outdoor living space is perfect for entertaining, with a large covered terrace, infinity pool, and a beautiful ocean view. This home was built with top quality finishes, including double-pane, energy-efficient windows and doors, large format porcelain floors, and solid wood doors. It features LED lighting throughout and mini-split air conditioning in every room for ultimate comfort. A fully automated solar system, reducing your energy costs while offering battery backup. As part of Pacifico, you'll enjoy unmatched amenities, including a private beach club with bar and restaurant, a poolside snack bar, pickleball, soccer and basketball courts, a yoga platform and walking trails, a kids playground, and a dedicated dog park. This home is offered and furnished, allowing you to customize it to your style. Ready to see it in person? Contact me today to schedule a private tour.